They arrived. They arrived. It's good. It's good. How foolish. How foolish. That's true. That's true. Be ready. Be ready. Be calm. Be calm. What nonsense. What nonsense. Finish it. Finish it. I agree. I agree. Nothing special. Nothing special. Stop there. Stop there. It's done. It's done. Stay away. Stay away. Promise me. Promise me. Eat it. Eat it. Come with me. Come with me. No problem. No problem. It's high. It's high. Not so well. Not so well. Look around. Look around. Don't move. Don't move. I am feeling good. I am feeling good. Or I am feeling better. I am feeling better. But why? But why? It's impossible. It's impossible. Move aside. Move aside. Your turn. Your turn. Read aloud. Read aloud. I like you. I like you. Join me. Join me. What happened? What happened? Give me that. Give me that. I apologize. I apologize. It's funny. It's funny. I was there. I was there. That's amazing. That's amazing. How sad. How sad. That's all right. That's all right. How sweet. How sweet. Calm down. Calm down. It's different. It's different. Take bath. Take bath. Then when? Then when? It's nothing. It's nothing. Don't abuse. Don't abuse. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. That's enough. That's enough. You too. You too. Show me. Show me. Not yet. Not yet. Come along. Come along. Don't whisper. Don't whisper. It's easy. It's easy. Be attentive. Be attentive. For what? For what? It's obvious. It's obvious. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Any problem? Any problem? Not bad. Not bad. Be seated. Be seated. Allow me. Allow me. Is it? Is it? That's all. That's all. Slow down. Slow down. Leave it. Leave it. Be quiet. Be quiet. Can't say. Can't say. Got it. Got it. Be patient. Be patient. Forgive me. Forgive me. Sit upright. Sit upright. Not right now. Not right now. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.